What is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment that allows developers to execute JavaScript code on the server side. It is different from technologies like Apache or PHP because it uses a non-blocking, event-driven architecture, making it well suited for handling asynchronous tasks and real-time applications. What is a callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? In Node.js, a callback function is a function that is passed as an argument to another function and is executed when that function completes its operation. They are commonly used in asynchronous programming to handle tasks like reading files, making network requests, or responding to events, ensuring non-blocking execution. What is the purpose of the package.json file in a Node.js project? Can you explain the key properties found in this file? The package.json file in a Node.js project serves as a configuration file. Key properties include name, version, dependencies, scripts, and main. Explain the difference between require and import statements in Node.js. When and why would you see one over the other? Node.js require is used to import modules while import is part of the ECMA script modules. Use require for common JS modules. Import for ES modules. When using the ESM syntax. What is middleware in the context of Express.js? Can you give an example of how you would use middleware in an Express application? Middleware in Express.js is a function that processes incoming HTTP requests before they reach the root handler. It can be used for tasks like authentication, logging, and data validation. What is the RESTful API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. A RESTful API is an architectural style for designing network applications. In Node.js and Express.js, you create one by defining routes and using HTTP methods. Get for fetching data, post for creating data, put for updating data, and delete for deleting the data. These methods correspond to CRUD operations: create, read, update, and delete. What is the purpose of the Node Package Manager and how do you use it to manage dependencies in a Node.js project? NPM is used to manage dependencies in a Node.js project. You can use it to install, update, and remove packages easily. To manage dependencies, you typically use commands like npm install, uninstall, and update in your project directory. Why is it important to hash passwords in a web application? It's important to hash passwords in a web application because it adds a layer of security by storing only the hashed representation of the password, making it difficult for attackers to retrieve the original password from the database. Hashing protects user data in case of data breach.